So if you're the designated driver, or if alcohol just isn't for you, we're going to learn how to make some grown-up drinks without the booze.
Our teacher is the cocktail chemist himself, Demetrius Zaharidis. Welcome back. I think this is so important because not everybody can drink. Some people have to drive. Some people have a problem with alcohol.
Some people are pregnant and they want to still feel part of things.
Yeah. And like we were saying before, you just put like club sodas out, but that could get boring after a while. So you want to just pizzazz,
zhuzh it up a little. Zhuzh
it up, exactly. So we did 3 different cocktails today.
Okay.
They're pretty simple, and this was extremely challenging for me as a bartender because we base all of our drinks around alcohol.
Right,
so
exactly.
Making non-alcoholic drinks pose actually a bigger challenge for you. Yeah.
Right.
So we're gonna start it here. In front of Scott, we're doing basically kind of mimicking a gin and tonic. So we're kind of getting those botanicals out of the gin. So I pretty much, in citrus flavors and herbs. So I pretty much just took 3 oranges, 3 grapefruits, peeled them, juiced them, put them in a container overnight with some juniper berries and some rosemary, and just let it infuse. So you're gonna get those bitter-sweet notes, and there's no real sugar in this. I put a touch of agave, and it's just a natural sweetness from the fruit, and that's it. And that's
juniper berries.
Juniper berries.
Where would you get those?
You get them online. There's some stores have them, not all, but some do.
Now, why would this taste like a gin and tonic?
Just you're getting just those notes of the gin, like the juniper berries are in gin. Exactly. Like
juniper berries
piney.
Are in gin. Okay.
Exactly. And that's it. And then we did a little grapefruit soda. And that has no sugar, and then a little sprig of rosemary.
Rosemary, it's like a little Christmas tree, which is festive for the holidays.
And it's easy. You can make a whole batch of that and just let it sit.
And just let it sit, like a punch.
Yeah, and done.
It's really good.
Super easy.
Yeah, you should try it. It's really good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we have to use our friends Ripe because they do all the work for you.
Yeah, and I know that if you've seen this show, you know about Ripe, but these are great because it's a mixer that's all natural. It doesn't have any fake stuff. It's made right here in Connecticut.
Yep, made here in Connecticut.
And you can buy it at Whole Foods.
Whole Foods. They're in many liquor stores as well. But yeah, I mean, it's very accessible and easy. And again, they do all the hard work for you. They juice the limes. They got the mint in there, the sweetener. All we're doing is just adding some raspberries, just to give it our own.
That's easier than soaking juniper berries.
Yeah, a little bit. And then just a quick shake, or I mean, you can just muddle this and make a punch bowl out of it and have people help themselves.
So just literally just the ripe juice
and raspberries, and it comes nice color like that. That's it.
The raspberries just turn that pink?
Yeah.
And then splash it with some seltzer?
Yeah. So we're cross-utilizing some ingredients. And then just a little bit of raspberries, and
this is really cute for a baby shower too, because the mom always needs something that you could do pink or blue.
Yeah. But you'd be surprised how many non-alcoholic options are needed for some parties.
If you wanted to do blue, could you put what is that? That blue liquor?
Blue curacao? No, there's liquor in there.
Oh, there is liquor. Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe you do blueberries.
Blueberries. Yeah, blueberries or blackberries or something like that.
That'd be cute. Little pink and blue ones for a baby shower or something.
Exactly. Yeah.
Oh, that's really good.
And then finally we have, this is a little picker-upper. We're gonna do something with coffee. So we have, I just brewed some espresso and just let it chill. So we're doing about an ounce and a half of the fresh brewed espresso.
So kind of like that's your shot.
Yeah, that's our shot. We do some maple syrup at the distillery. We also do some maple syrup. There's no alcohol in this.
Okay.
It's just aged in our bourbon barrels.
Yep.
So we'll just do a little bit of that just to bump up the sweetness, just like a little quarter ounce. You don't need much of that. And then I made a little a pumpkin cream.
A pumpkin cream. All right, how do we do that?
That's going to go with our pumpkin panna cotta.
Exactly. I was happy to hear that because we can compare it up. So basically, just a canned pumpkin.
Okay.
Take that, scoop it out, put it in a saucepan with some half and half.
Okay.
And just let it simmer. Just incorporate the flavors.
Just cream your pumpkin.
Yep. Some nutmeg, some cinnamon.
Okay.
You're done. Yes, cream your pumpkin. So we'll do a couple ounces of that because we want to really taste that one. So, and then we're doing some walnut bitters.
Okay.
Most bitters are.
It just struck me funny. I don't.
Okay.
Most bitters have alcohol in them, but these ones, Fee Brothers, do not. They're just
black walnut bitters.
They're non-alcoholic bitters.
Okay.
So we just put a couple dashes. Usually bitters are made from alcohol.
Okay.
So you might want to stay away from that. So this is like a riff on an espresso martini. For somebody that doesn't want alcohol.
Yeah. Or an after-dinner drink, and maybe someone's about to get in the car and drive a long way, and they're like, I can't have another, or something.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And then just
Oh, that
quick
looks
strain.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
I mean, that would just be good to drink in the morning.
Yes. A little nutmeg on top, just.
There he goes, the Cocktail Chemist.
And that's it. And
Karen, give it a swig.
Yeah.
See, it's good when Kara tries all the drinks with a non-alcohol.
I know. All right, you can get in touch with Demetrius and see his drink recipes from
I like all
him
the
right on his
non-alcohol.
Facebook page. Just search the Cocktail Chemist.
It's really good.
Not bad, right?
Delicious.
That is spectacular.
It's so good.
I mean, just add vodka to it.
I'm good.
And we're good to go.
Right.
All of these can be served with add-ons. All right.
Sure.
Still to come on today's show, we're talking timeshares and how you can get out of them if you're feeling stuck.
And right after the break, a delicious, delicious dessert with the flavors of fall. We have a new chef in our Better Kitchen today. Hi, Kelly. How are you? Nice to see you. We're going to see her too. Stay with us.